Hi everyone, welcome to the Masters Education YouTube channel. This is Satya. Today we discuss about another problem on trial balance with an example. Here we discussed about trial balance problem number 2. The following transactions of Sana and Co on the 31st March 2020 to prepare trial balance amount in rupees is given. The nature of the account is also given. Now capital 1 lakh rupees, drawings 18,000, billings 15,000, furniture 7,500, motor van 25,000, loan from Hari at the rate 12% interest 15,000, interest paid to Hari 900, sales 1 lakh rupees, purchase 75,000 rupees, opening stock 25,000, establishment expenses 15,000, wages 3,000, commission received 4,500, debitors 28,100, bank balance 20,000, creditors 10,000, last one is interest received 3,000. First we are divide this problem as an pro forma of trial balance, which item is debit, which item is credit. Now we are going to accounts. The capital account is credit side of the trial balance, it is an liability side. Then drawings is an expenditure, it is credit side of the trial balance. Billings, whereas billings, furniture, motor van, it is all related to assets, it is debit side of the trial balance. Then loan from Murray at the rate 12% interest 15,000 rupees, it is on an interest, it is credit side of the trial balance. Then interest paid to Hari, it is an expenditure, it is debit side of the trial balance. Sales are related to credit side of the trial balance. Then purchase is also default, it is debit side of the trial balance. Opening stock, any opening stock is debit side of the trial balance. Establishment expenses, it is 15,000, it is related to expenditure, it is debit side of the trial balance. Once again, opening stock is debit side, any closing stock is given in problem, it is credit side of the trial balance. Now we are going to wages is 3,000 rupees, wages is on expenditure, it is also debit side of the trial balance. Commission received is an income, it is credit side of the trial balance. Debitors is an asset, it is debit side of the trial balance. Bank balance is also debit side of the trial balance. Where creditors is related to liabilities, it is credit side of the trial balance. Interest received is an income, it is credit side of the trial balance. Now we are going to prepare trial balance solution. Then we are preparing trial balance of Sana and Co as on 31st March. It is title of trial balance. We are already knowing pro forma of trial balance. If you can't know trial balance, you can go to the previous class and watch, come to here. Then it is have 4 columns. Column 1 is nature of the account, column 2 is ledger portfolio, column 3 is debit amount, column 4 is credit amount. Here we are already discussed on above. Capital is an it is credit side of the trial balance. Drawings is an expenditure, that's why reason we are taking is debit side of the trial balance. Billings, here billings, furniture, motor van, it is all related to assets, that's why reason we are taking is debit side. Then we are going to loan from Ari at the rate 12% interest. Here already discussed, it is loan, it is related to liabilities, that's why reason we are credited to the trial balance. Interest paid to Hari, it is an expenditure, it is debited to the trial balance. Sales is related to the by default item of trial balance, it is credit side of the trial balance. Purchase is debit side of the trial balance. Then opening stock, any opening stock is considered as debit side of the items. Then any closing stock is related to credit side. Then establishment expenses, it is related to expenses, all expenses is debit. 15,000. Wages is also one type of expenditure. It is debit side of the trial balance. Commission received is an income. It is credit side of the trial balance. Now debitors is an asset, 28,000 amount. That's why reason we are debited to the trial balance. Bank balance is also an asset. It is also debit side of the trial balance. Creditors is a liability. It is credited to the trial balance. Interest received is an income. It is written as credit side. Now we are going to calculate both sides. First we are calculating debit side. It have amount 2,32,500. All amount is. Now we are calculating total amount of the debit side of trial balance. It have 18,000 plus 15,000 plus 7,500 plus 25,000 plus 900 plus 75,000 plus 25,000 plus 15,000 plus 3,000 plus 28,000 plus 20,000. Here total amount is 2,32,500, whereas credit side is also same amount, where according to the pro forma of trial balance, debit is equal to credit. And thank you all. If you are like this video, please like and subscribe, share to your friends.